Hey, thanks for joining us again today. This is Anthony at Autosport with our 2024 Ford Mustang Ecoboost Premium. Today we're going to do a little walk around video. We'll show you the outside, inside, engine bay, convertible top. That way, whether you're coming in to look at the car or have it shipped right to your front door, you know exactly what you're buying. As always, if I miss anything during these videos, feel free to call me, text me, and I'd be glad to do an individual FaceTime walk around with you as well. This is a 2024 EcoBoost Premium with 49,000 miles, and we'll start the tour. As you can see, I believe it's called Race Red. The exterior is super clean. The gaps, fitment, and finish, again, nice and everything you'd expect. As you can see, it's got a set of 18-inch premium wheels the whole way around, and the date code on the tires is 2025. Actually, yeah, 25, so brand new all the way around. You can see very minimal wear showing, no kinds of major scrapes or scuffs or dents. And if I see anything along the way, I'll be glad to point it out. So very little chip right there. As you can see, it does have lane assist, which was an option. It's actually got a lot of factory options on it that we'll discuss whenever we go over the inside. You can see rear wheel just as nice as the front, and new tires all the way around. It does have factory dual exhaust, and it is a 2.3 liter EcoBoost motor, which actually gets about 315 horsepower, which is more than the older V8s. All while maintaining excellent fuel mileage, of course. Factory sequential taillights. As you can see, I don't see any scuffs or bruising on the back bumper. Your taillights, trim work, everything is nice and clean. There's along the rear deck lid as well. And we'll put the convertible top up at the end. That way you can see it with the top up. Really clean passenger quarter panel. Again, rear wheel. I haven't found any curb rash on here. There's a little bit of wax we forgot to wipe off. Okay, driver door, very little chip right there. Sorry, I'm normally on the camera, not doing, here's a stone chip right here. Usually not doing the video as well, but we've been pretty busy with getting this inventory in and just trying to get it uploaded in a timely manner here. Windshield doesn't have any cracks or major chipping on it. You can see fresh PA inspection as well. Get this floor mat out of here. Okay. See, interior, no odors or anything to worry about. The seat bolsters are nice and clean. As you can see, there's no scraping or anything scuffing to see. And it does have a really nice digital dash on it. Heated seats, cold seats, heated steering wheel. Like I said, it also has lane assist, which is a nice option. And what I always liked about the Mustangs is when the top's up or down, you get the same amount of trunk space, and it is a big trunk. Let's see. Okay, factory rear spoiler with a backup camera. Get my papers off the seat here. Again, really a nice interior on this car. Brings it all together. Gives it a nice look whether the top is up or down. Give you one more side shot here. Okay, now it's going to be kind of hard to do while I'm on the phone, but I am going to put the convertible top up. That way you can get a good look at it and see what it looks like. These are power convertible tops, real easy to operate. There's just one button that you hold in. It's right here. And you can faintly hear the top going up. It's a real quick motion. Comes down here, pull the latch, turn it, and you're done. These are really nice cars. There's a lot of little things you can do that don't cost a lot. There's websites out there like American Muscle where you can pretty much buy anything you'd want. They sell pre-painted parts and a lot of aftermarket goodies that you can make these cars your own. As you can see around the back of the convertible top, the seal is perfect. It hasn't separated or nobody's tried to glue it, and that's exactly what you want to see on these Mustangs. So as always, if I miss anything, feel free to call me, text me, email me. It's available at Autosport in Indiana, Pennsylvania. And my name's Anthony, and I'll be glad to do whatever I can to get this guy in your garage. Thanks for watching.